Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a balloon garland. We're going to use the balloon garland kit by Inceptus COR. We're partnering in this video. I'm very excited to use our product. And if you guys want the link to purchase this product, check it down below in my description box and use my code for 15% off. So I'm really excited to review this product. If you want to see how to make the garland, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. With no further ado, let's get to it. So the kit comes with 5 hooks and it also comes with a balloon tape. It's little sticky dots just like that, and also it comes with this ribbon, which this is going to make your life way easier. It has little holes inside where you just put your balloon inside and you will have that perfect garland. And it also comes with this little tool right here, which will help you out to tie your balloons, and some a ribbon also if you need it. It comes also with all these balloons for a total of 130 balloons. final product. I really like the look. It's perfect for a baby shower, a birthday party, any celebration that you have. It looks so good, but what I like the most is the kit has everything inside. It was easy to work with. I didn't need to purchase anything more to it, except obviously if you want to add flowers or some decorations to your garland, like obviously you have to buy those, but overall everything was in the kit, and that I really like. I think it's a time saver. So I really like that. The balloons stayed nice, none of them popped, so everything like went smooth with this product, and it's not expensive. Talking about not expensive, you can use my code. The link is down below and you'll get a 15% off of the kit. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, well, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.